Hey friend, welcome back to Doing It with Tyronzia. In this video, I show you how I created my new AI twin, my 10th AI twin, maybe 15th, but whatever. I show you exactly how I created her and how I used the image to create a video. This video right here, I show you how to use the image to create a video. But you have to watch to the end because at the end, I give you a few little tricks that's going to help make it easier for you. So I already have my prompt. I'm using Gemini, and what you've been seeing on all the social media channels where everybody is pretty much doing their birthday shots. They're telling you, hey, I don't no longer have to pay someone to do modeling for me because I just use AI to generate my characters, which is so very true. So I have this prompt right. Only thing I'm putting this prompt right here, I'm gonna say use my face and body type. And for some reason, I like to say it twice. I like to say it twice. Let me see what it's trying to tell me to do right here. I'm going to put a comma. Okay. But if you don't put that comma, it's still going to do what you want it to do. So I like to say the same thing twice just so I can make sure it does what I want it to do. So use my face and body type. So I'm just going to go here to add. And I'm going to upload a file. I want to say I put my picture on desktop. I put Tyronzia in red. And because I can't never remember how I save my pictures, y'all. So I just did Tyronzia in uniform. So, okay. Now they have two pictures of me. I have a good picture of my face, have a good picture of my body type. And I'm going to do submit. And it works pretty fast. I was very impressed with Gemini and the images. Because usually I use ChatGPT and Dzine to do my AI images. And I also use Design Microsoft. That's a very good tool too. But this one looks like me. She actually favors me a whole lot. Let me see. But it didn't do what I told it to about the letters. Hold on. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna say I like that image, but make it look more like me and my skin is lighter. Yeah, I told Chat that, baby. Chat made me white. Chat must have got mad at me. Chat made me white. I was like, not that light. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna add my pictures again. And I'm not editing this out. I'm not, trying to do something to make it look like, oh, it's easy breezy. You have to play with it. You have to do it a couple of times to get what you want. You have to do it a few times to get the actual output that you want. And it works really fast. Like I've been impressed with it. I've been playing with it since yesterday. And y'all, I was finna buy a subscription. I already had Workspace, but the email address that I was on, I didn't have Workspace with that, but I had Workspace with another email. So hold on. Let me download it just to see how it looks. Full size. It made me look a little old. But it do resemble me. If you look at my other picture, it does resemble my picture. And it has my body type. Hold on. And it actually has, if you look at it, it has my hair. And it has my features really well. But I don't know. I don't really like it. I'm going to try one more time. And Better Together is my community. If y'all don't know, I started a school community that show you guys step by step how to do all the things that I do. And I did say all the things because I do too much. So if you look at it, it has my facial expressions. It has my facial features in it pretty good. And maybe because it's a dark picture. Which I think it look a lot like me. I'm going to say, can you make my, hold on. Okay, y'all. So I googled it. And it says light olive. I don't know what the heck that is. But let's do. Can you make my skin complexion? Y'all can type when I ain't on here with y'all. Let's see what this light olive is, y'all. We finna see, baby. Cause I don't even know. Like a light green. Let's see. Some stuff you gotta laugh at, baby. So let's see what this is. Let's see what it come up with. They made it okay. Let's see. I like this Gemini because like you can tell the exact things like, hey, I don't like this, so can you change this? And it'll change it. Cause when you're doing it in chat, most of the time by now chat me like gave me a whole different picture. And I love chat. Don't get me wrong. I love using chat. You know, that's my go-to. But I started playing with Gemini yesterday, and I was like, man, I'm impressed. It still look old. Hold on. It still look old. You know what? I know what to do. See, it still look. I mean, I say it. I'm calling it it. It looks old. I mean, the picture's pretty, but it looks old. I got my hair down to a T though. Cause when I don't get my hair done, y'all, I do it myself. That's exactly how it looks. So we're gonna do this over. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna copy it, and I'm gonna change this. Maybe I change African. I don't know. Let's see. And then I want to say, that's why I didn't change that, y'all. That's why I kept wondering why it kept coming up with that pink, but I didn't change it. I wanted a bold font to make sure it keeps it bold. What else on here? And okay, she is very about. I'm gonna say about. Yeah, I cannot type when I'm on here with y'all. When I be by myself, I be gone. But when I'm on here with y'all, it's be a mess. Let's see. Let's see what they come up with now. What I may do is just get out and start a new one. But it remembers what you put in here, so I don't know if that'll work. But like I said, I'm just doing this to show y'all. You see all the beautiful images. We don't get them images on the first try. We take about 10, 15, 20 minutes to get those images. Now, once you got the prompt down pat, then... Oh, that's cute, but my hair ain't long. I really like this one, y'all. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. You see how easily I'm distracted? Y'all. I love this. Look. Now, they really look like me. Like, with the exception of the long hair, I'm trying to get there and let my hair grow if y'all hadn't noticed. But I haven't did like a live video in a while. Hold on. That one actually looked like me. I love that because you can give her a short haircut. I'm going to say medium, because my hair is growing. Let's do this. Let's see. Yeah, I'm excited now because you see, oh, I'm excited. I'm really excited because that really looks like me. That one really looks like me, like for real in real life. And then I'm going to show y'all, we're going to go into another tool. And by no means am I telling y'all to go buy this stuff or go pay for this stuff. I think I'm going to use this one because I really like this one. I do. Okay, let's see it bigger. I really like this one, y'all. What y'all think? Tell me in the comments what y'all think. If y'all don't like it, tell me. Well, I think I'm gonna go back to. Hold on. I think I'm gonna use this one though, even though her hair ain't me. I really like this one because I think of all of them, this one looked the most like me in the face. And I can always change the hair. Look, y'all. If I had a twin, this would be her. And y'all know I don't. If y'all been following my channel, I've been playing with them AI twins, baby. Let's go to design now, and we just gonna do image to video. Let me show y'all how we change it up. And I'm just gonna upload the picture, the last one that I did. I'm on my desktop, so I'm gonna downloads. Yeah, they put your girl to work today. Like, hold on. That means that was my timer. I'm supposed to be done with this video. Hold on. The last one I did was this one. Okay. And we're gonna just do open. It's gonna replace that one. We're gonna make it big. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do image to video is there. Right here, you can change it to what size you want it. Hold on. You have to click it on this, on the untitled. And then I know I'm gonna do a YouTube video with this. So a YouTube video is 16 by 9, but a real short story, real short or a real or short is 9 by 16. So I know I'm gonna use this for TikTok, a YouTube video. So I'm just gonna do 16 by 9. It's the wide frame. I'm gonna do apply. Okay, so it's showing me like I can fix it later on. I ain't gonna fix it here with y'all. I ain't gonna waste your time. But right here you can pick which one you want to use. I'm a little cheap with mine, so if you want it really good, you can pay for a lot of the credits. But I'm just gonna use this one. It does well for me. And I'm gonna go down here, and I can actually tell it what I want to do. But before I do that, I want to change it to 10 seconds, and you see it double my credits. And then, okay, so right here, I can just do, hold on. She is looking directly, hold on, into the camera and speaking to her viewers. Okay, she is using life like hand gestures. I think I said that wrong. Gestures. I'm not gonna edit that out either because y'all supposed to be done. I said I was gonna do 10 minutes and be off of here. So I'm at 13. So let me just stop the timer. Okay, it stopped. Okay. So okay. And gestures. She is doing a professional interview. Because sometimes I have them doing crazy stuff. I'm saying she is filming. She is filming. She is filming. And if I want to change her hair, I could do it so in design. And it's gonna take design about 5 minutes. I'm not gonna make y'all wait 5 minutes. Because you know how I speak about my page. I know y'all's like mine, so I ain't gonna do that. But if I wanted to change anything on her, I could come here to chat editor before I did all these. And I could say, hey, give her a short bob. You know, cut her hair off 3 inches and it would do it. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to generate. Because I just wanted the video. I like the way it is. And I think this is the AI twin that I'm gonna stick with. Because now I may change her hairstyle and color and stuff in her outfits, but I really love the look. And I would not have that much thread. I'm like a real basic sewer. So let's do generate. I'm going to put y'all on pause, and then I'm going to come back once it generates. And it literally takes about 3 to 5 minutes. So generate. And I'm going to pause it. But while I got it paused, let me just show you this. Because my first time doing this, I had wasted so many credits because it pops up here where you really can't see that it's working. So if you done did this, if you done did like 4 or 5 videos, you would think it's not working. But if you scroll up to the top on the right side, you will see that it is working. So don't just keep on hitting generate, because every time you hit generate, it's going to start a new one and you're going to be wasting your credits. Okay? I learned the hard way because I spent a lot of credits on it. Okay, it's done. Let's watch it. Let's click on it. Okay, I actually like it. But let me tell you this. Well, I'll download it later on. You can lip sync inside of Design for like 30 seconds, but if you want it longer, I like using Dreamface, where it's like I'm in another community, and the owner of that community told us to, well, she recommended that we use Dreamface to make up to 3 minute videos. So you can do clips. You can change this, change what she's doing. I can have her sitting down or standing up. I can, just change what she's doing. Let me show you that right quick, and then I'm gonna get off. But if y'all want me to show y'all the lip sync part, let me know. Just let me know in the comments, and I'll make a part 2 to this video where I show you how I bring it from Design into Dreamface to make it actually lip sync, so it can kind of make her mouth go in line with the words. Okay? But I'm gonna show y'all this. So say for instance, I go to chat editor. I put she is sitting, well, let me put her, I ain't gonna mess with her hair right now. I'm gonna say that she is sitting down at the, I said sitting. She is sitting down at the, yes. Let's see what it does. It's telling me it's gonna take me 6 credits out of 1800, so I can do 6 credits. So let's generate it. Okay. You see how it not only, let's download it and see it so y'all can, well, I'm gonna do it in a 4X, so I may use this upscale. I don't know why I downloaded, I didn't say I don't know why I downloaded that, but I'm saying I don't know why I upscaled it, because I'm probably not gonna use that picture. But if you look at this, she's actually sitting down, and you see how I lowered it to her body so that she still, because that other disc, if you notice, the other is higher. So when they set it down, they actually lowered it to accommodate her body when she's sitting down. And it only took me 6 credits to do that. So now I can make this a video just like I made the first one a video. And I could upload it to Dreamface, record my audio, or use like a pre-recorded audio or something, and then put it all together in CapCut and create the video. So when you see the video, you're like, oh, okay, it's put all together. So that's how I'm gonna do it. That's the behind the scenes of how me and other creators create our AI videos. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to learn more like one-on-one with me, join my school community. It'll be a link in the description. So yeah, let me know if you want me to do the dream base. Y'all know I got y'all. Bye, friend. Okay, friend. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you have any questions? Would you like for me to make a part 2 where I actually show you how to do the lip sync part in Dreamface? Let me know in the comments. I'm here for you, friend. Also, click the link in my description to join my school community. Let's go.